Shuvuha lamshiha maran, slama amuhon, or peace be with you. At the faith level of the early Slihaik or apostolic Eta or church, let us correct mistakes prayerfully, humbly, in mutual love, and in a manner that promotes growth. Let our evaluation also be at the faith level of the early Slihaik Eta. Mar Sliva Dera Code 11. Shuvuha Lamshiha Maran Slama Amuhon.